Clean those?
Yep.
You sure?
Maybe not your high standard, but I'll wipe them off.
What was that? Are you throwing tools on the ground again?
No, I'm not throwing nothing up there.
They're shock-proofed. They're made tough so you can abuse them. Okay, you got everything out of the way?
Where does Allen wrench come from?
Come out of the Allen holder.
Oh, okay. Nothing missing.
Are you done with it?
At the moment.
Good. That's a good thing. What size is this?
Half inch.
12 point? Nope. That's 7/16.
No, we'll drop down in a half inch.
Could use this one. Look at that. Looks like a champ. With your torque wrench. You done playing?
Yeah.
Are your hands clean?
Not really.
Well, why don't you wipe them off?
You better rag than that.
It's in my back pocket.
Oh, that's a good one?
It's cleaner what you've been using.
This one.
No. That's for polishing your paint when I'm done.
Alright. I'll bring a hand cleaner tomorrow.
There you go. Gotta use that thing? Yep. I need some real work done now. Screwing around.
I'm very curious of what condition the crankshaft's in.
Crankshaft? Used.
Used, yes.
What are these?
To take that off as soon as you get done breaking the other two loose.
Tools. Tools. I told you these before. There's all these hammers over here.
If I get to those, clean them up. Front two bolts. Half inch 12 point, a breaker bar for everything, huh?
See how it clears the stuff that's in the way.
Nice.
Quick and simple, huh?
Mm-hmm. The wobbly comes through.
7/16 would kind of fit almost. Not
Almost.
quite. A couple would.
Almost.
Not all of them, a couple would. You broke it, short. What happened?
Dirty box.
Are these dirty?
Looks real nice.
Oh, it's wobbly. Wobble, wobble. Dad used to call them a wiggle tail.
A wiggle tail?
Wiggle tail. I told my auto shop guy I need a wiggle tail. He didn't know what the fuck I was talking about. What's wrong with you?
That's not what that's called?
That's what I call it. He called it a
Wobbly?
universal.
Oh.
Called it a wobble. Wobbly.
Next time you ask for one, I'll know what you're talking about.
Wiggle tail. Wobbly.
Hammer.
We use steel around here, you know why?
Oh, no, really?
Could do more damage when you hit it.
Good man.
You want to use this one instead?
Yeah, that's the one I prefer.
Which one? The broken side or the good side?
Good side.
Why is the good side broken?
A more even blow on that
This
aluminum.
is the soft side, so it's broken.
That was easy enough. How bad is the valve? Oh.
It's got valves in it. Little carbon
I've
build
run
up.
rich lately, huh?
Little carbon build up. Look at the oil leak I'm getting.
I'll get that in just a second.
Front and rear.
Front, rear.
Now that one moved. I don't know if this one did. Yeah, that one did too. How about that one?
Ew. Excellent.
Pistons are down.
Is that where you want them?
There's all the broken rings go in the cylinders.
In the crankcase?
Yep.
Not bad. A little glazed up, but not bad, huh? You got to put easy miles on
Now,
this
if these are
thing.
torque plated honed, how come they got these high spots going right where the studs are at?
Because they're aluminum and they fucking,
Because the torque plate honing doesn't do shit.
that's factory.
Well, that came off the motor, didn't it? That's why we don't torque plate hone around here. It doesn't make shit.
Don't those barrels expand when they get hot anyway, though?
Yeah, we got a problem with the ignition switch over there, but I'm just kind of making a cross right now.
I'll remove that thing in a minute.
Now we got a problem. Ignition switch is keeping the cylinder from coming off.
Where'd the stand go?
Just get over that stud right there. There we go.
Got it.
Had to wiggle over that stud on this piston.
See?
This one's not nearly as bad on the pressure wedge, but it still has it. This got a little more trash in it there.
So what are you saying? The bore is different in there? A different diameter? In the middle there?
Well, that one was more even. See, I don't have any carbon past this top ring.
Yep.
The rings are doing their job. If you get carbon past the top ring, the rings aren't doing their job. This is looking pretty good still. Not too bad. Pretty tight still. Very tight. There you go.
Excellent.
It's better when you get it off the surface. Still a little snug. So you notice that yellow condom on the rod down there?
The what? Yeah, what is that? Glue?
Condom. Spooge. It's got spooge on there. Where'd that spooge come from?
Yeah. They all build up on it or what?
That's from when Harley put the motor together.
Really? Hard plastic or what is it?
Sealer.
A gasket cinch?
Silicone material. That's what Harley uses on the gasket. On the cylinders. I mean on the cases.
Any sign of a base gasket leak?
Nope. No, they're sealed. They're going to be paper when you miserably get them off. It's going to take an act of God to get them things off.
Good job for me.
These have been replaced because they're not original.
Are they glued or no?
They're
Just
not.
torqued?
They're not the white paper ones. Oh, no. Came off a little bit. So what size is this motor, you think?
Stock.
Stock. Never going to pour it in slide?
Maybe the first time. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't think the gaskets are stock. Stock bore.
Stock bore, good. Good for evolution.
I heard those are junk motors.
I've heard you say it a few times. I don't know if I agree with it or not.
Yeah. These aren't reliable. I heard that somewhere.
So valve cover's the only thing really leaking on gasket wise, huh?
What's this?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle tail. What do they call it? Wiggle what?
Quarter drive 12-point wiggle tail
Wiggle tail. Works tremendous, doesn't it?
with a short extension.
Yeah, nice short extension just to make it easier, right?
So you get away the damn bikes, you get them to work.
Lifter blocks are coming out now, folks.
Oh, is that what we're doing? Oh shit, making a mistake.
Is that so tough? Loctite? Loctite?
I don't know.
I don't see any aluminum on the bolt.
There's something on it.
Oil pressure thing right in the way.
Not anymore.
Oh yeah. Maybe taking some case out with it, huh?
Still think I got something on those bolts. What year is this bike?
88. I got 30.
It should be over there because they're oily.
Yeah, I thought so too.
Why don't you tell me?
It's your job, your deal, not mine.
Figure it out.
If I would have told you that, it would have been wrong.
Oily.
Wasn't?
Just tighten the thread, but wouldn't tighten them apart. So these can be aluminum or cast iron.
Can't tell right now.
I have seen late life of cast iron ones, but they should be aluminum.
What's the most desired?
Cast iron. Cast iron is always better than aluminum.
You know, when it comes to barrels, it is.
When it comes to motor parts, it's nice and stable, round. It stays round and true. Motor run, make more horsepower and be smoother. Guaranteed.
You buy them aftermarket?
Used to be able, no more. Well, Hyper probably still makes them, but X still doesn't. Might as well get some big ones while you're at it.
Large diameter?
Sure. You get 97 cubic inches. Stock stroke.
97?
97, all bore.
Can't bore these cases big looking.
You go up to 97 cubes. Gotta take the motor apart to bore the cases, yeah.
That really won't last very long either.
Why wouldn't it?
Because the case gets too thin where the...
Stop pulling the bolts out, who cares?
Huh?
You don't have to find those studs in there, you can convert it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
To what? Shellhead style?
through bolts. Yeah, put nuts and bolts, like blow them. Where the stupid through bolts that don't work. Do it like it's supposed to be done. Real. Alright. See, right tools work good. Good gaskets.
Copper? Brass? Copper?
Brass.
There you go.
So you get the pressure to pump it, but you don't get the damage. Just want to. So I'm pretty sure Harley did not use red silicone in all their screws.
Is that silicone? Orange? Yeah.
Look at the color on the wheels, look like they overheated.
That blue almost, huh?
So those are aluminum.
I gotta get me a heartburn pill real quick.
One lifter. Go. In the camera. Alright, there's your cam in there. Now, we still don't know if it's stock or not until we get more into it. It looks kind of suspicious right down there. Looks like it might have been ground on a little bit in there for clearance. Clearance. We'll see when we get the parts. There's something good in there. It looks like it's been massaged down in there a little bit. Yeah. Looks like it's been cut. With my flashlight at. Yeah. Hard to tell with the oil in there. Alright, well, we'll figure it out. Gotta come off next. Alright, we'll be back.